Divorce is one of the hardest decisions a person can make. And in India, the legal path you take depends on which personal law applies to you. This video walks you through exactly how divorce works in India, step by step. India does not have one single divorce law. Hindus, Buddhists, Jains, and Sikhs are covered by the Hindu Marriage Act of 1955. Interfaith and civil marriages fall under the Special Marriage Act of 1954. Christians are governed by the Indian Divorce Act of 1869, and Parsis by the Parsi Marriage and Divorce Act of 1936. Muslim marriages are governed by Muslim personal law, including the Dissolution of Muslim Marriages Act of 1939. And remember, instant triple talaq is banned. The Supreme Court declared it unconstitutional, and the 2019 Act made it a punishable offense. Broadly, there are two routes to divorce. The first is mutual consent divorce, where both spouses agree. The second is contested divorce, where one spouse files on specific legal grounds. The route you take decides your timeline, your cost, and your evidence burden. Here is the mutual consent process under Section 13B of the Hindu Marriage Act. The couple files a first joint petition. Then comes a 6-month cooling-off period. After that, the second motion is filed, and the court grants the decree. For Christians, the requirement is 2 years of separation instead. Here is something many people do not know. That 6-month cooling-off period is not always compulsory. In 2023, in Shilpa Salesh versus Varun Srinivasan, the Supreme Court confirmed it can use Article 142 of the Constitution to grant divorce directly on the ground of irretrievable breakdown, bypassing the waiting period entirely in deserving cases. For contested divorce, Section 13(1) of the Hindu Marriage Act lists 9 grounds, including cruelty, adultery, and desertion for 2 years or more. Be prepared. Contested divorces take longer, cost more, and demand solid evidence. Divorce petitions go to the family court or district court where the couple last lived together or where the marriage was solemnized. And one timing rule to know. Under Section 14, you generally cannot file within the first year of marriage, unless the court accepts a case of exceptional hardship. Maintenance and alimony are governed by Sections 24 and 25 of the Hindu Marriage Act and related laws, and courts are taking maintenance seriously. In May 2025, the Supreme Court awarded a divorced wife 50,000 rupees per month, with a 5% increase every 2 years. On evidence, the Madhya Pradesh High Court has allowed WhatsApp chats as evidence in matrimonial misconduct cases, balancing privacy rights with the needs of justice. 3 cases shaped this field. Shah Bano, in 1985, secured a Muslim wife's right to maintenance. Daniel Latifi, in 2001, upheld maintenance beyond the iddat period. And Shilpa Salesh, in 2023, opened the Article 142 route for mutual divorce. Divorce law in India is layered, but knowing your statute, your grounds, and your court puts you in control. For detailed guides on every legal process in India, visit our website and subscribe for more legal knowledge that protects you.